Hi, I'm Chef Pete Curling at the Stow High School. We run the restaurant Joshua's. My background, I came from a career center down in Wayne County. Prior to that, I was a chef at the Osteria restaurant in downtown Cleveland for 13 years. Prior to that, I was a sous chef at XO Prime Steaks and Hyde Park. Before that, I went to culinary school, and before that, I was a high school career tech student myself. Um, Really excited to be here, and so far everything has been wonderful. We're really anticipating an awesome start to Joshua's. The menu is going to be expanded. We're going to offer a couple of maybe some breakfast items and some pastries, as well as additional take-home, take-and-bake items for people to buy that will be fresh or frozen. We'll have pies, we'll have fresh baked bread, all kinds of exciting things. And the quality of my students is amazing, so everything is coming out great. So one of the things that drew me to being a career tech instructor was my passion for teaching and training. And that started to grow more than the passion I had just for cooking. And what really excites me is how this program and hospitality and food service in general is important in all careers, because all of those soft skills and all the professionalism that everybody talks about is one of the most important parts in all professions, but especially in the food service industry. So coming through this program not only prepares you for work in industry, potentially going to a culinary school, but even if you are not in industry anymore, a lot of the good habits and soft skills that you'll learn here and in industry will propel you in whatever you do moving forward. So my goal here isn't to teach culinary, it's to teach students how to be the best version of themselves and succeed as high as they can.
Let the dogs out!